Hi there, I'm Peter Ubiro, classified Kiswahili teacher. I welcome you to my channel today. I ask you to subscribe, share, or like for more video updates. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about personal pronouns or object pronouns. Personal pronouns or object pronouns. In our last lessons, we talked about subject prefixes and the rest. But today, we are coming to a very vital area, that is personal pronouns. Now, I'm talking about me, you, him or her, us, you all, or them. Now, in Kiswahili, we have mimi, mimi, wewe, wewe, yeye, yeye. So it's mimi, wewe, yeye. Then we have sisi, sisi, nyinyi, nyinyi, or you can say ninyi. It's nyinyi or ninyi. Then we have wow. Now once more, on the board you see I have mimi, wewe, yeye, sisi, nyinyi, ao, ninyi. Then we have wow. Now, mimi is me. Wewe is you. Yeye is him or her. Sisi is us. And then nyinyi or ninyi is you all, like you plural. Then wow is them. Normally, in our sentences, if we use the personal pronouns, you find they are the objects of the sentence. For example, I'll speak of, let me use the verb kufundisha. Kufundisha is to teach. And for now, I'll say, ninafundisha wewe. Ninafundisha wewe. Like, I'm teaching you. Ninafundisha wewe. I can also have another example. I'll say, anapenda mimi. I'm speaking of that person. I'll say, anapenda mimi. And I told you kupenda is to like or to love. So it's either way. I will say, anapenda mimi. Let me have another example. We have the verb kupikia. Kupikia, kupikia is to cook for. To cook for, kupikia. I will say, anapikia wow. Anapikia wow. And then if I speak of wow, is them. Like she or he is cooking for them. So normally, I've seen cases whereby people try to mistake the object pronouns or personal pronouns with subject prefixes. Now, if in case I would speak of ninapenda, ninapenda yeye. The sentence is ninapenda yeye, like I like him or I like her. Otherwise, you can also say I love him or I love her. Ninapenda yeye. So you can use this with many other verbs. Like, let me use the verb kuona. Kuona is to see. I want to say, you are seeing me. You are seeing me. Then it would be unaona, unaona mimi. Unaona mimi. You are seeing me. I would say ninaona yeye. Ninaona yeye, or I would say pia anaona mimi. So you can use many other verbs with the personal pronouns and personal pronouns or object pronouns, but normally you realize the personal pronouns or object pronouns are supposed to be at the end of the, like the other objects of a sentence. So I'm trying just to emphasize to you that next time or when you're using the sentences, you must make sure that if you are going to use the object pronouns, then they should come at the end. Apart from using the object pronouns or personal pronouns as the objects of a sentence, we again also use them as the subjects of a sentence. And if you use the object pronouns as the subjects of a sentence, then you use them with the verb to be, which is. Now, verb to be in Kiswahili is ni. Ni. The opposite is si. So ni is, si is isn't or is not. So let's look at the following sentences. Now we have sentence number 1, we have mimi ni mwalimu. Mimi ni mwalimu. And mwalimu is teacher. Mwalimu is teacher. Mimi ni mwalimu. Mimi ni mwalimu. Mimi ni mwalimu. You can see I'm using mimi, which is me. Ni is mwalimu, teacher. It's like saying me is teacher, but this is how we say I am a teacher. Now, if you use this form, then you find that you end up being descriptive, or because in this sense you can use it with all manner of saying what he is, what I am, whatever it is. So if I say mimi ni mwalimu, I'm a teacher, I would also say wewe ni mwanafunzi. Wewe ni mwanafunzi. And mwanafunzi is student. So it's like mimi ni mwalimu na wewe ni mwanafunzi. Again, I've used na. Mimi ni mwalimu na wewe ni mwanafunzi. Na, we use na to mean and or with when it stands by itself, when it's alone. You remember the other now was the tense, but now if I say mimi ni mwalimu, wewe ni mwanafunzi. Or I would say mimi na wewe, me and you. So mimi ni mwalimu, wewe ni mwanafunzi. Mimi ni mwalimu na wewe ni mwanafunzi. Then I would also say yeye ni rafiki. Yeye ni rafiki. I'm talking about a third person. Rafiki in this sense is friend. Rafiki is friend. I've used yangu. Yangu is my. Yangu is my, or you can use the same to mean mine. So I'm talking of yeye ni rafiki yangu. Yeye, that person, yeye ni rafiki yangu. So, see, yeye ni rafiki. We can use also this with adjectives. I have adjective mzuri. Mzuri. Mzuri here. Mzuri is good. Then I can say wewe ni mzuri. Wewe ni mzuri. Or I would say, yeye ni mzuri. Or I would say, mimi ni mzuri. So, wewe ni mzuri, you are good. Mimi ni mzuri, I am good. Yeye ni mzuri, he or she is good. I would also say, wewe ni mbaya. Okay, there's mzuri and there's mbaya. Mbaya is bad. So if I say, wewe ni mbaya. Wewe ni mbaya sana. You're very bad. Wewe ni mbaya. I would say, yeye ni mbaya. I would say, mimi ni mbaya. So, I would say, mimi, wewe, yeye, ni mbaya. Then I would also have mwerevu. Let me have this other adjective. Mwerevu. We use mwerevu to mean clever. Clever. So I would say, yeye ni mwerevu. Au wewe ni mwerevu. Au mimi ni mwerevu. So basically I'm going to tell you that apart from using the object pronouns or other personal pronouns as objects of the sentence, we also use them as subjects. But whenever we use them as subjects, we use them with the verb to be, ni, or si, which is the opposite. I would say, yeye si mwalimu. Yeye si mwalimu. Au mimi si mwanafunzi. Yeye si mwalimu, he is not a teacher. Mimi si mwanafunzi, I am not a student. So in usage of the personal pronouns, you should get it clear that we use them in the first form when I say ninafundisha wewe. That is, it comes to the end, it's an object. Ninafundisha wewe, anapenda mimi, unaona mimi, unapikia wao. Or you can also use them as subjects to be used with verb to be, and it becomes descriptive in a way. So you have mimi ni mwalimu, wewe ni mwanafunzi, yeye ni rafiki yangu, wewe ni mzuri sana, au wewe ni mbaya sana, wewe ni mwerevu. Or I would say, yeye si mwalimu, I would say mimi si mwanafunzi, au I would say yeye si mwanafunzi. And I think that would mark the end of today's lesson on this topic. I hope you enjoyed. Please, I ask you to once more to subscribe, like, share for more video updates. I hope to meet you again in the next lesson. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.